Well, lick me like a rum and raisin ice cream. Neighbor, how have you been? Have you been safe during COVID?
Yeah, man.
I actually never caught it because I used the Jamaican remedies. The whole quarantine I was drinking Ray and his nephew.
Bumbo clot away him just say a while ago to putty.
Who's that?
Yo, Mark! Yo. Man say him have a threesome with 2 man to bumbo clot.
Now you wait a minute, vagina watch man. I said no such thing.
No, you hear me I say no white fish? You have to go back next door you know, you little dirty piece of raw chicken. Fish market.
Well, listen up, deportee. You and your friend Marcus over there can tickle your mothers.
Would I tell you if you suck your mother, but your mouth already full with ray to blood clot. Grunt. Anglerfish. Rat fish. Who trouble that white boy? Who trouble spicy mayo? Hear me I say no.
No, you listen to me, Sarani. I'm about to call ICE and have you shipped back to Devin's house. I'm sorry, neighbor, but they're getting me darker than a bleacher's knuckles. Oh yeah, Marcus, up yours.
And the blood clot.